تو انگلیسی به جای اینکه هی بگی yes of course که البته این از لحاظ گرامرلی کاملا درست هستش، خود انگلیسی زبان ها یه سری کلمات alternate یعنی جایگزین براش دارن، اینا رو بیشتر استفاده میکنن. مثلا به جای yes of course میگن why not wanna grab a coffee why not let's go
Why not TV?
Why not aim for the stars?
Why not?
Why not? So why not let's just go there?
یا مثلا یه جایگزین دیگه ای که معمولا استفاده میکنن absolutely can you help me with this project absolutely I got you
Absolutely, I can go to town and take these.
Absolutely, I do.
Yes, absolutely, I promise.
Absolutely, I get what you're saying.
Absolutely, I got it.
یا مثلا میگن for sure will you be at the party tonight for sure I wouldn't miss it.
Well, I guess if I knew for sure, I wouldn't have to find out.
Oh, for sure I wouldn't be able to walk.
If I'd have known for sure, I wouldn't have left.
But we don't know for sure. For sure.
Yeah, for sure. Just text me the address.
یا یه جایگزین دیگه هم دارن میگن definitely is that new movie worth watching definitely it's amazing.
Definitely, it's good. It's
وقتی این عبارت ها رو به کار ببری خیلی شبیه انگلیسی زبانو داری انگلیسی صحبت میکنی. هر روز با یه آموزش جذاب همراه من باش.